ECOVACS launched two new floor cleaning robots at CES 2026, the new flagship X12 OMNI Cyclone and the more affordable T90 Pro OMNI. In this video, I'm going to focus on the T90 here. This latest generation robot has 4 key innovations and improvements, so let's take a closer look. ECOVACS already stole the show with its Osmo roller mop, which both scrubs and self-cleans, and now the roller is 50% longer, meaning it cleans more surface area at once for an overall faster mopping clean. The mop also uses downward pressure to scrub floors more thoroughly. ECOVACS has been adding more and more suction to each successive generation of robots, and the T90 Pro OMNI now boasts 30,000 pascals of suction, and that makes it even more powerful than the previous generation, which I think was the ECOVACS Dbot X11 OMNI Cyclone, which I reviewed and really loved. Now the proof will of course be in the pudding, or the testing, when I'm able to get hands-on with one of these robots in my home, and I hope that'll happen in the next few weeks. So if you have any questions for me about this robot, make sure you post them and I'll try and get those answered either before or during my testing. ECOVACS has also been tackling another key pain point for us robot vacuum users, and that's that hair gets wrapped around the rollers and the corner brush. New in the T90 is something called a lateral airflow impeller, which is a cool way of saying ECOVACS has introduced an air jet that blows air across the vacuum's roller bar to guide hair off of it and into the suction inlet instead of letting it get wrapped around the roller. Now in homes with long-haired humans or pets, this should be a major maintenance saver since it will mean much less manual unwinding and untangling. The other change here is a bit of a softer, more rounded design. ECOVACS GAN Power Boost charging is also back here. This is a big deal for larger homes because it essentially fast charges the bot's battery every time it goes back to its base station. I think this bot is going to be best for families who need a workhorse but don't need all the bells and whistles. Yet even though it'll be priced lower than the X series, you'll still get a lot of the same technologies of that higher end line. Like I said, I'll be getting hands-on with this robot in my home in the coming weeks and putting it to the test in a lot more detail, so make sure to watch for that full review. And if you have any questions for me about this robot or about anything ECOVACS announced at CES, let me know. I'm Erin, and don't forget you can watch some of my other ECOVACS review videos like the X11 OMNI Cyclone I mentioned, or see some of the other new innovations the company announced at the CES Tech Show right now.